Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and the crochet hook in size 4 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I'll chain 14. So now for row 1, on the 4th chain from the hook I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next 4 chains I'll make 1 double crochet through each chain. I'll chain 3, then I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, I'll skip the next 2 chains and through this 3rd chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Now I'll chain 5 and through the same chain I'll make 1 slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now for row 2 I'll turn my work around. Then right there through that 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Then I'll make 2 half double crochet. So 1, 2. Then I'll make 5 double crochets through the same 5 chain loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Now I'll chain 5, then I'll skip this next single crochet chain and through the next double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 5. Now through this last double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 I'll turn my work around. Then I'll chain 3. Now right here through this 5 chain loop I'll make 4 double crochet. Through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3, then through this 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Now I'll chain 5, then through that same chain I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 3. Now for row 4 I'll turn my work around, then right here through this 5 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, then through that same 5 chain loop I'll make 2 half double crochet. Again through the same loop I'll make 5 double crochet. Through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 5. Through this next double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 5. Then through this last double crochet chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So now for the pattern we need to repeat rows 3 and 4. Repeat rows 3 and 4 for the pattern, and after a few rows your work will look like this. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.